Going to see how fast we can solve a Rubik's Cube, right, Vincent?
Mm-hmm.
And Vincent's up first, so go ahead and do your thing. By the way, in the middle, where the 0, 0, that's where it starts, and this is how you do it. So you put your 2 fingers right here until it turns green, then you let go, and then you touch back, and stop the timer. I'm going to reset that. All right, Vincent, here you go. Let's see how fast Vincent can do it. Vincent, you gotta wait till it turns green. Want to put it down more? It's green? No, solve it. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Let's see how fast he can do it. He's at 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Can he even solve it? Let's see if he can solve it. 14, 15. He's getting up there. Is it hard to solve, Vincent?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, he's at 30 seconds. Let's see, can he do it?
Solve the white side.
Solve the white side. You solved 2 sides. Look, 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 look. You solved almost 2 sides. What are you doing, Beckathan? Beckathan.
Solve two
All right,
sides.
you're almost at a minute.
Oh, dropped it.
You're almost at a minute, Becky. All right, you're at a minute. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta solve that boy. You almost solved it. Have you almost solved it?
Not really.
Wait. Turn it. It's one of those optical. Look how close you are. Solve it. You gotta solve it. You gotta solve it.
I can't solve it.
Oh, no. Let me fix it for good old Vince. It's hard. Alcohol. It's harsh.
Why did you say that?
'Cause me can.
Ooh, almost done. Same thing happened to you.
It is. Here you go.
So it's just the same thing. It's just not as much stuff. Wait a minute.
We're at 2 minutes, Vincent. Come on, let's go. Okay. We're gonna reset it. Vincent, we're gonna reset it. Vincent, stop. Let me scramble it up.
It got stuck.
And then we only have to solve one side. See how fast we can solve one side.
How fast I can solve one side?
Both of us.
Well,
We'll take turns.
It's easy to solve one side.
Okay. So it's easy. Let's see how fast you can do it. I know you can do it, but let's just see how fast you can do it. Here you go. Here you go. You gotta solve the green side.
The green side.
All right. Make sure you put your hands on there, Vincent. Chill. Ralphie, no. Stop stepping on the.
Ralphie, what did you do?
What did you do, Ralphie? Okay, we're good.
No, we're not.
Now we're good. All right, you ready? You gotta only put one finger. There you go. Now go. Solve one side. No, not first corner.
The green side. Stop the green part.
It's right there. I can do it in like 10 seconds and you're already at 15. Did you solve green yet?
No.
It's really easy. Bro, let me show you a trick.
I can solve a side right now.
Do it. Well, do it then.
Get it?
All right, you solved the other side. Put it down, put it down. 34 seconds. All right, you just want to scramble it for me? All right. So now we're gonna see how fast I can do it, guys. You ready? Is this scrambled? All right, here we go. What side should I solve?
Green.
Green? Okay, here we go.
Wow. Right now it's easy for you. You can easily do it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, you could do it. I saw where you could do it. What was that?
Bro, it didn't let me pause it. It was 10 seconds. So it was 10 seconds.
Where was that the tablet?
I don't care.
The tablet cost $300. It cost $300.
All right, you ready? Here we go. We're gonna go to what should I try to solve next?
Can I mix it up?
I'm closing my eyes. I'm doing this. All right, the scrambled. I almost solved one side on accident. All right, are you ready? Vincent, come on. Here we go. What color should I solve?
How about white?
White? Okay.
Wait, there's 2 red, 2 white, 2 green.
All right, you ready? Here we go.
Maybe
4 seconds.
Maybe that was a little too easy.
4 seconds to solve the white. 4 seconds.
I made it a little
All right,
too easy.
which one should I make it as hard as you can? And also have one side in 3 seconds.
I solved it.
On accident. Are you a pickle? And by the way, we are using a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, not your ordinary 3x3. And you ready? Look, I'm gonna solve red. You ready?
Wait, I thought it was my turn. You already solved the side. It was 4 seconds.
Look,
It's my turn.
here we go. Let's see how fast I can solve it.
You should have looked before you started.
Okay, you gotta reset that. It didn't let me. All right, here we go. Let's see how fast I can solve it. 3 seconds.
Solve the red side.
I solved the red side. Yep, I solved one side. Should we end the video here?
There's mostly 2 of every color.
Nani!
You solved the green side on
Okay.
accident. You solved the green side on accident. You solved the green side.
No. I heard. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. How long can we solve Rubik's Cubes? If you want to see us do some more stuff with my tablet, leave a like and also subscribe. And we'll see you guys in a little bit with a brand new video. Peace!